Hey everybody, Jason here. Welcome to my channel focused on learning how to tie knots. In this video, we're going to have a look at the noose knot. So let's head on into the work table and take a look. The noose knot is a simple knot that creates an adjustable loop at the end of a rope. By the nature of the knot, the noose knot tightens when under load. The knot is a simple way to secure a rope to an open-ended anchor point, such as a post. It's important to know that the noose knot is not the hangman's noose, which will be demonstrated in a future video. This knot, however, can be used to tie a snare for small game. Now let's have a look at how to tie the noose knot. First, begin by creating a loop. Then, pass a bight up through the loop. Then pull the standing part of the bight to create the desired size of your noose knot, and then finish by snugging it up tight. So let's have another look at the noose knot. A similar knot to the noose knot is the slip knot. I'm going to add a link to this video so you can compare the slip knot with the noose knot. So there you have it, the noose knot. Now, if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Okay? Thanks for watching.